If you want to attract a good energy, if you want to manifest your life, if you have to manifest your desire, you need to do just two three things. Meditate on your goal, read books, write down your thoughts, write down your vision, and try to make a vision plan. And desire itself, that you cannot be succeed at manifestation, you need to be put out your feelings first. So manifestation is real. Doing stuff that meditation take, doing stuff for what type of book that you read, that you're going to become in 5-6 years later. And yeah, visualization, meditation, and a lot of people talk about, and you can do it because it's also change good happiness, health in your mind and body. So if you visualize your goal that you want to do and you just think about it, your mind will go in a positive zone. So also in the world, all the chaos and all the depressing world, you can think about that space. So manifestation is a good thing that you can do. It's manifestation like visualization, positive stuff.